Hi everyone, my name is Mihai, and today I would like to show you how to create this gradient-based lettermark logo that I uploaded previously on some of my social media. And this is a fairly simple effect, and just would like to share with you how you can build it fast. Okay, so I'm just going to go to another artboard, and I have some guides that I've pre-built, that will help me in the construction of the logo. So I'm just going to take the actual pen tool, just go with black, and I already have a certain stroke weight for the path, so it's 120 points, it's thick, and I'm going to start on this point right here. Okay, so just click, and while holding shift, just drag the handle down, okay, something like this, and then I'll go to this point right here, and we'll adjust on this later, but for now it's okay like this. And then the next point that I would want to click is and final point is here. So we've constructed some half of the logo. I'm just going to adjust this a bit here to make it a bit more rounded, and then we can hide the guides, so it's view and hide guides, or it's command and this option right here. Then I'm going to click on I and select this pre-made color gradient that I made. Okay, and now I'm just going to transform, reflect, and vertical. So it's now what we need to do is join these two parts right here. Just want to make sure there is no gap here, and then I'll select both of these. Just go to direct selection tool, select both of these points, click join, and then once again with the point selected, click average, and both, and this will create the connection. Now one of the last things that we need to do is just change the gradient type to be a long stroke, so it's fairly close to what we have. One more thing, if you notice in this option, this part of the logo is above this one. So in order to solve this problem, just go to Object, Path, and click Reverse Path Direction. And yeah, there you have it, guys. It's almost done. Just want to show you how the next step is to create this light version of the logo, this one. So I'm just going to click on Shift O. This will activate my artboard tool, and then I'm going to hold Alt and Shift and create a copy. Okay, we don't need this. I'll take the M tool, which is the actual rectangle tool. I'll draw a rectangle. I'll give it this color, this dark blue. And yeah, as you can see, the colored logo also works on this dark background. But what I want to do is create the light version made of white and transparent. So I'll just go here, double click on one of these points and click on the white square here. And then I'll do the same for the other end. And then this one, I'll just do the same, but I'll change one thing here, which is the actual opacity of the center. And now, in order to achieve our effect, as here, all we have to do is play around and move these handles right here. So as you can see, I think 60 would be fine. And then I'll just take this one, yeah, and again modify it a bit. So let me just see how I did it there. Okay, so this one actually needs to be a bit closer. I think it's 25 can work, maybe even 30. And this one, I'll just move it a bit to the right. And yeah, we kinda have the effect. Is just that we have a bit of issue here, and I think this can be fixed, by adjusting these points right here a bit. So just take this a bit down. No, it's not. Yeah. Okay, so something like this works. And yeah, guys, this is how you create a gradient logo in Illustrator. This is my first tutorial that I posted in a very long while. I plan on adding some more, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please like this video, because it helps for the engagement. Thanks a lot, and see you soon.